Okay, revisiting the noise on the DC lines issue. As people pointed out when I showed in a previous video, I was showing the oscilloscope. It was nonsense because the oscilloscope wasn't triggering correctly. It wasn't locking in the waveforms. So here is it with the correct triggering. The yellow is the output of the buck 5-volt output of the buck converter. The blue is the 23-volt output of the boost converter. And we see the frequency has changed compared to before. We got like 780, let's say, on the buck and 340 on the boost for both kilohertz for frequency. And the peak to peak has decreased. Well, it's 44 millivolts on the buck, and it's 56 millivolts on the boost, with the VRMS for the buck being 44 millivolts, and the VRMS on the boost being 24 millivolts. Still don't know why this seems noisy to me. It's noisy, I think. I have the amplifier with no audio signal. I have the amplifier cranked to the max, and you can hear it. Hopefully you can hear it. It's a high-pitched hissing whine that I'm not loving, unfortunately. Here are the left and right outputs from the amplifier. We're seeing the same frequencies, 413 kilohertz, 403-ish kilohertz. But of course now the peak-to-peaks are 1.38 and 1.3 something. Nice unclipped sine wave at least. So, and definitely hearing the hissing. I'll see what happens when I play some music through it. Okay, I admit that my oscilloscope foo isn't anywhere near where it should be, but I am super confused by this. What I'm seeing, this is looking at the left and right speaker outputs on the board while it's playing a 10 kilohertz sine wave, which you can hear in the background, and the frequency the oscilloscope is recording hasn't changed. It's still 411 with a 1.36 volt peak to peak and a frequency of 403 with a peak to peak of 1.33 for the right and the left outputs. I'm thinking I should be seeing a 10 kilohertz wave. This hasn't changed from before, and it doesn't matter if I increase or decrease the volume or change the frequency of the sine wave it's currently playing. I'm confused. Okay, so during the quiet part of the song, you can definitely hear the hissing. This is with the amp barely turned up. I'm not really expecting that to be there after all the filtering I've attempted. Love any explanations.